Hazlo más explícito. Oh. Está loquito Santiago.
So we got some rock doves, a couple of mallards, and Canadian geese. But
Atrás de ti está.
oh,
Look at this ducky.
that's a geese.
No, no, te muerde.
These guys can be really aggressive, so I think I saw some blackbirds over there.
No, déjalo.
Oh, hey, a seagull.
Look them. Birds. The birds are flying away. Thank you. Okay, should I go scare the pigeons?
I don't know. There's geese.
I think it's going closer.
Hello there, big fella. How's your day been? Oh, hey, shoot, a blackbird. Yeah. Oh,
My God, there's so
there it is. Blackbird. Should I scare them? So they don't do that. If you do, I think you'd make them very angry.
I'll just go with the pigeon.
Of course you will.
What? Shit.
The only reason they aren't attacking you by now is that they're used to humans. Or us, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what to call them.
Parrots.
They're not parrots. They're doves. Rock doves, to be
Rock
exact.
doves?
Oh my goodness.
Eh.
Well, hello, you.
Whoa, what's wrong with his head?
Holy.
Oh,
I think an injury, but he was just chasing this guy over here.
yeah, he was. Get him, get him, get him.
He's not gonna get him. I don't see that on the other geese, so must
Blackbird
be.
over there.
Hey, another blackbird. So they get out of the way.
And there's a pigeon right next to you.
Oh, hello, Mr. Pigeon. So they don't stop trying to scare away the birds.
Well, I gotta show you. Okay, why don't we go to the park?
I don't know. You can go there. I'm just taking videos. It's not up to me, dude. You dum-dum. You big dum-dum.
Stop it. There's a duck on the sidewalk.
Yeah, I don't care. That's a geese. Stop calling them ducks. They're waterfowl. They're related, but like, they're not a species of duck. Well, at least I think they're related. I'm not sure actually. I haven't gotten much info about waterfowl lately. I'm not sure about this guy though. Seems he's got like some sort of... oh my goodness. He's really aggressive towards this one geese. And I don't know why. Maybe it's like some sort of territorial dispute. I should probably distance myself.
Wait, no, I should go on the
Just throw it into the sea or lake. Yeah, it looks. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this guy with like what seems to be an injury on the front is really aggressive towards these other geese. Sate! So that guy's swimming away. Don't. Okay. You guys can go. Hey. Pigeons. Female. Oh my goodness. Oh. I guess all the pigeons just left. There's a big group of geese over here.
Where's the uncle?
And there's a massive group of birds over here. Mostly waterfowl with a couple of pigeons and blackbirds. Whoa.
It just made a one.
Well, it's a pigeon. Hello. You're on video. Smile. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, he's chasing all the other ones. Oh my goodness. I have a theory that those two in the middle are females. The one with feathers on his the one without feathers on his forehead is male, and he's trying to ward off other males. Come on, Ma, relax. Oh shoot. Just gonna... Wow. Last time I went there were lots of big geese. And some of these are all growing now. Alright.